Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and replace with Superscript in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to find and replace with Superscript. Go to the Home menu, then click the Replace option. Then write the Superscript text. Write X, then write 2 and select the 2 letter, then press Ctrl Shift, then double press plus on our keyboard, then click the replace with option, then write anything. Now I write the H2O, then click replace all. Now we can see we find and replace the Superscript in this Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.